So I saw a viral Christmas tree snack online. The person made hers with chocolate spread and dough. Instantly, Nigerian meat pie came to mind. I was like, oh, this will be perfect for Nigerian meat pie this season. I tried it and it's perfect. Look at that. So come with me. Let's make this Christmas tree Nigerian meat pie. Step 1. Make your Nigerian meat pie filling as we normally do on this channel. Step 2. Make the dough. I'll put the link to the recipe in the description box below this video. Divide the dough into 2 and roll out 1/2 as thin as possible. Then cut out a triangular shape, you know, the shape of Christmas pine tree. Lay that out on the oven tray lined with a baking sheet. Can you see the star already positioned at the top? Spread out the filling like so, leaving some space at the edges for closing the pie. Rub in some egg at the edges so it will close well. Then roll out the second dough and cut out another triangle that is the same size as the first one. Use a ruler if you have to. Technical drawing. And use that one to cover the filling to get a gigantic meat pie. Ooh. That's the inside of the star. Close the edges with a fork. And make cuts like this. We are making the branches of the pine tree. People are so creative, eh? I tell you, there are people that are born for this content creation thing. Great ideas everywhere. I was watching the person that made this with my jaw on the floor. I mean, what kind of brain do some people have, eh? Do they have 2 heads? Chayo. I want to be like them when I grow up. Fold the branches like this. Just nego the sense. Too much sense they worry that woman. Now let's add something here as the stem. And add some moon and star, kili star. I'm gonna do. Finally, rub some egg on top for a golden look when done. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 350 Fahrenheit, for 30 to 40 minutes or till golden. Yeah, just observe it. Yeah, to know when it looks great. Look at that. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? If I didn't maliegi thumbs up. If this one does not deserve a thumb up, I don't know what does.
Wow. That looks better than I thought, eh?
Looks better than you thought?
Yes.
It looks so good and tasted so good. And these children will not even let me finish taking photos because they couldn't wait to dive in. Come and take before your throat falls off. Will you make it? Will you? I beg, even if you don't want to make for yourself, make this Christmas tree meat pie for my nieces and nephews that you are taking care of for me in your house. Bye bye. I hope you have fun making this like I did.